Welcome to our YouTube channel, your destination for all natural hair care education. Are you tired of harsh chemicals damaging your hair? Ready to embrace the power of nature for amazingly healthy hair? Well, at Morrocco Method, we believe in the healing power of natural ingredients. From pure botanical extracts to ancient holistic practices, our method emphasizes the importance of rotating hair products to keep your scalp and hair at the pinnacle of health. Our comprehensive range of products caters to every hair type and concern.
All the products that I've tried make my hair very touchable.
I have been thoroughly impressed with everything I've tried.
My husband says, your hair's been on fleek. It just looks like it's radiating confidence.
Once I discovered Morrocco Method, I really haven't looked back. I've been using it for 8 years now.
And I've always wanted more wave and texture to it. Wow. I really like it.
But it's not just about our products. We're committed to educating and empowering our community.
When I started back in the 70s making my own products, I vowed that all of my ingredients would be truly botanical and marine-based. Nothing would be made in a laboratory. And I've kept that promise. My mission, my life statement, my desire is to maintain this company as the most natural hair care line in the world. We all want to be really educated to the point where we understand every ingredient that we're putting on our body.
Join us on this journey to vibrant, naturally beautiful hair. Subscribe now for expert tips, tutorials, and exclusive offers. Morrocco Method, where nature meets hair care excellence.